Hi, for today's lesson, we'll be looking at the Wars of the Roses. These are the events which led up to the Battle of Bosworth. Read through the PowerPoint and then complete the tasks at the end. There's also 2 textbook pages for you to read and some video clips that you may want to look at. Please answer the questions in full sentences. Remember, you can pause the video or the PowerPoint at any time. The ruling family at this time were known as the Plantagenets. The Wars of the Roses was a power struggle between 2 sides of this family. The House of Lancaster and the House of York were both descended from sons of Edward III. The Lancastrians were descended from John of Gaunt, the Duke of Lancaster, and the Yorkists were descended from Edmund, Duke of York. Both sides of the family thought that they had the right to rule the country. The arguments began when Henry VI was king. He was not a good king. He lost wars against France, and he struggled to control the country. On top of this, he often had bouts of insanity. This meant that he was unable to rule, so a regent was chosen to rule for him. This was Richard, Duke of York. Richard thought that he was doing a very good job, so when Henry recovered, Richard did not want to give up his power. Richard gathered an army and defeated Henry in battle. Richard then ruled the country as regent. However, Henry and his wife gathered another army and reclaimed the throne. This time they had Richard killed. Richard's son Edward wanted revenge. He was tall and strong and powerful, and he was seen as a great leader. He defeated Henry VI in a battle, and then the crown passed on to him. He became Edward IV in 1461. Over the next 30 years, the 2 sides fought a series of battles to control England. The crown changed hands several times. Sometimes the Yorks were in charge, sometimes the Lancastrians. These wars continued until Richard III was defeated by Henry Tudor at the Battle of Bosworth. All of these changes can be very confusing. The textbook pages and the video links here may help you to understand. There is a little bit of a warning here. The videos go through quite quickly, so you may want to pause it just to make sure that you understand what's being said. Once you have read all of the information, please answer the following questions in full sentences. Why were the series of battles known as the Wars of the Roses? Why was Henry thought to be a bad king? Why did Edward want to get revenge? And in what ways was Edward IV a better ruler than Henry VI? For your final task, you will need to use books or the internet to research about Henry Tudor's life before the Battle of Bosworth. Can you find out 5 facts about Henry Tudor or his family?